In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved drafts on LinkedIn. If you're on your LinkedIn feed and you want to find a post draft you were working on earlier, the process is very simple. Start by going to the top of your LinkedIn feed and clicking on the post creation field. This is the same area you would normally use to begin writing a new post, so if you're already on the home page, you're basically just one click away. Once you click into that post creation box, LinkedIn will immediately bring up your most recently saved draft, if one is available. That means you can continue working on the post right where you left off without having to search through any extra menus or settings. This is helpful if you started writing something earlier, saved it, and now want to come back to finish editing or publish it. One important thing to keep in mind is that LinkedIn does not let you save multiple drafts in this area. So instead of keeping a full list of saved posts, it only keeps the most recent draft you saved. That means if you create a new draft later, it may replace the previous one depending on how you use the post composer. Because of that, it's a good idea to finish important posts promptly, or keep a backup copy elsewhere if you're working on something you don't want to lose. Also, if you click on the post creation field and you do not see your saved draft, that usually means the draft was discarded rather than saved during your previous editing session. In other words, LinkedIn only restores content that was actually saved before you exited the post window. If it was closed without saving, the draft may no longer be available. So to quickly recap, go to your LinkedIn feed, click the post creation field at the top, and LinkedIn should reopen your most recently saved draft automatically. Just remember that only one draft can be kept there at a time, and if nothing appears, the earlier draft was likely discarded instead of saved. That's all there is to it. Once you know where to click, checking your saved draft on LinkedIn is quick and straightforward.